Well, the wood slices didn't go so well. When you're cutting block firewood and you're 3/4 of an inch off, it's not that bad. It looks really good, but when you try to take 3 inches off and you're off 3/4 of an inch, it doesn't look so great. So I broke it. Turns out it didn't break as easy as I thought it would. I dropped it twice on the stone. The second time it finished breaking. First time it just cracked a little bit more. Then I thought, okay, I'll test and see if I can take off a straight slice to even it up again. I'm not sure. It doesn't look totally straight, so I'm going to leave it at that right now. I think I'm going to have to throw a 36-inch blade or buy one. I hate to buy one because I probably don't need it too often, but maybe I will. We do have some more coming along here. But so I'm working on this end. I was able to get another block off. There's enough space underneath. I had to move a bunch of stones, get them out of my way. The tree had pounded them in pretty good. So this is where limbs come off, and it didn't look like it split very good, so I had it on its end or edge, and I made some slices in it, and now I'm going through and with the axe and splitting. It's working out pretty good. So sometimes you have to rip them. If they're really gnarly, you have to rip them both ways, but I hate to do that too much because it's a lot harder in the saw ripping all that material. But you can see it's still, we're into the limbs yet. And we're going to be here now for a bit, but you know, some of that will probably split good. It's just some's not going to. Okay, well, we're gaining on it. Getting towards the end of my work day today. Well, we definitely have made I mean, it was out to there and over to the tree before. Let's see, about maybe a week ago. Not 1 week, 2 weeks ago. So definitely have come a long ways this week. And I could be taking more off this end, but I really want to try to get this slicing down and make some tabletops before I get, you know, into here. From here to here is going to be some good space for tabletops. Here over, I think I'm just going to go firewood all the way. Okay, let's get back to splitting and get some more. We're setting it in the windows and letting it dry overnight, I think. The more it dries here, the better. Pile it outside, but then I gotta move it again, and so I'm gonna reserve that for if I need the space, or if I run out of space. Oh, here's another little project. It's from that tree that was over there. And it's planted itself in here, so we're going to move that. Not a great spot for it. But I'm going to wait till fall to do that. Better to transplant in the fall or in the spring, so we're going to do it this fall.